As far as me coming and giving a live lecture in UK or the Western world, Allah Alam. I remember last that I was there in UK was in 2009. And I remember that the largest gathering I addressed in UK was in 2005 or 2006, I'm not sure. It was the GPU. It was a conference held in the Excel conference in London, UK. And mashallah, there was a gathering, it was a 2-day conference, and there was a gathering of 25,000 people at one time. So that's the largest gathering that I'm aware of in UK. You are aware of a gathering of 10,000, mashallah. But the gathering that I attended in 2005 in London, UK, and I remember that they had charged, there were many speakers. I was the main speaker in the ending. And they said, if you want to sit next to Dr. Zakir Naik, you have to pay 200 pounds. I remember that. I'm personally against taking fees for entry. And there's a policy of mine that only the first couple of years of my dawah, maybe in the 90s, the late 90s and starting of 2000. And after that, I made it a policy that when I give a lecture, you cannot charge any money.